friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I've got a brand new sweet tripod that I just purchased that I'm going to be able to use in my classroom. Let me show you how slick this is going to be and show you what kind of pieces it's going to help me solve. So first, this tripod does not come with a case. It has these parts, including the connector that you need to keep track of. It is a little more hefty than some, but that's also going to make it a little bit stronger and sturdier. You'll notice the feet are up. You'd think it goes like this, but you would be incorrect. When you loosen this, these can actually stretch out to be a floor stand. So I'm going to set it here on my table, and I'm going to lock it in, and you can see that these legs will let you move it upright. Instead of lock clips, it has got a loosen and lift strategy for the different parts. You can simply loosen those up and then just raise it to the height that you want, and then lock it back in place. The next part that is pretty cool is it is wide, so you can put your phone in horizontal mode and actually use some pretty decent sized tablets. It's got a little ball in the back, and you just loosen this. Make sure that you slide this part over top of your extendable arm, and then snap it in place and tighten it back down. If you lay the actual piece down flat on the table, it's easier to get it lined up and complete that process. When you've got it locked into place, you need to remove the plastic cap. You can store that for safety. This would allow you to attach a smaller mount if you had one, but for our mount, we are going to use the gold one that they send with it. I'm going to tighten it on, and then I'm just going to spin this in place. Notice if you have your extendable piece more straight up, it is a little easier to use it as a crank to connect it. And then once in place, this bends to any configuration you want. You know, if you're recording something on the ground, if you're recording something straight out, it gives you all of those options. Lastly, if you want to take it outside, you can just loosen this, and then you can stretch this so that the legs actually go down like they would on a normal tripod. Get it to the exact location you want, and then tighten it into place. This is really handy in that you're not locked into exact measurements. You can find the measurements that fit exactly where you're working. Like right now I am working on this little table. So I want my feet more straight up than I would normally if I was outside. Alrighty friends, so there you can see it is a super versatile tripod, great in the studio, also great in the field, and a total bargain for less than $30. Alrighty friends, so if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. If you've got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you're looking to buy it, I'll have a link in the description. Friends, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.